So guys, take a look at these are the type of houses that I'm really looking for. Guys, this will be my toilet. Hey guys, you can see life in the village. Hey guys, welcome back once again to my channel. For those of you who doesn't know me, my name is Timothy Hara, and I'm a Zambian content creator who loves to create content here in Zambia. And the content that I always do is I showcase villages, I showcase towns, I showcase communities and different things concerning the Zambian environment. So in today's video, I've posted 3 videos that I've talked about me in the village, and today's video again, it is my life, day 3 in the village. And this is where, like I've been saying to say, I'm starting my life from zero scratch, you know, having nothing but the hope that I'm having, or yes, the hope and the faith that I'm having to say one day or tomorrow, maybe the other day, things can happen. So I've been dreaming this life. If I was to tell you the life that I've been dreaming, some of you might not try to understand it, and some of you might not try to learn from it. But I've been dreaming this life to say I need to have my own place where I need to do some crops, to do farming in short, and grow my own food. And I've been dreaming this. And there are some people who are asking me to say, but why, Timothy, leaving your business, leaving your business there, and you are in the village doing nothing? Why can't you go back and run the business once again? Yes, quite right. I would love that. I would love that, to go there and run the business. But I'm a man, you know. I'm a man. I've got dreams that I'm really looking forward to. Yes, I can have a business, but I want to also to have something that I can lay my head on without thinking about the business. You know, the business is the only thing that I have in my life. Even the money that has brought me here, it is because of the business that I do in the Copperbelt province. The same grocery business, that time business. And that's why I'm here. That's why you've been seeing all the videos on my channel. All the videos on my channel, some of them, let me just say, videos that have gone to places are self-sponsored. You see? Are self-sponsored. Even in this village where I am, it is a video, or it is the content that I'm doing, which is self-sponsored. So that is the good part of my business. It supports me, it supports my work, it supports everything. Now I'm here with a little income, but with faith and with bigger hopes that one day things are going to work out. You know, when you are outside, you can be just hearing to say this side the things are like this without going there, and you believe. You see, so right now I just want to believe things that I'm going to see around the community, around this village, and I want to see the good things that this village is going to give me, because I know, you know, every part, every village, every area, every town has got something for you and me. And I want to know the good things that this village has for me. And this is the video for today. Yesterday I was looking for a house in the village here. Where can I rent so that I can do I can live my life here. So again, I still continue my life here, searching for the house, searching for a house where I'm going to live. You know, I'm still looking from different places here in the village. So please guys, support me. You can support me with anything, maybe $1. If you would love to see how far I can go with my journey, please support me. You can support this channel by liking the videos and watch all my videos by and if you watch them, don't even forget to like them and support the channel. So please guys, I'm here searching for my dreams, searching for where I can live, searching for a place, and I just want to accomplish every dream that I'm having. So let's do this, guys, together. Another day is here and I'm still at the village, guys. You can see guys, I'm still at the village, at this village here in Zambia. Hey guys, you can see life in the village. Do you know what I'm carrying? I'm carrying some sweet potatoes here, and I went to buy these. These will be for my breakfast, and I want to be eating these sweet potatoes for about, I don't know how many days it's going to take me, because they're a lot and I bought them at 50 kwacha here. Maybe let me just say $2 here in Zambia, in this African village where I am right now. So I'm coming from this side, just along this road, and I'm still searching for a house, guys. So if you are in this area and you would love to help me, maybe rent a house at a certain place, please do that. Please, because I'm in need of it. I'm struggling right now in this village. I'm struggling, I'm telling you. I'm thinking a lot, you know. you even think of giving up, like, okay, I'm giving up on this just because of the experience that I'm experiencing in this village. So, but anyway, I won't give up. This is the starting point. You know, the beginning is the hardest point. It is the hardest thing. So I won't give up. I know what is in front of me is the bright future. So I'll continue fighting. Let's go, guys. I want you to see this. This is a village biscuit. Now it's not yet ripe. This is village biscuit. You can see the way it is looking. So beautiful. There are many. You can see. And these are also, they are being called monkey biscuit. You're going to find this biscuit being eaten by the monkeys. So guys, take a look at these are the type of houses that I'm really looking for. pure village houses. So now there is no one here, and somebody showed me to say you can live here and look at the status of the house. Come guys, we have the sweet sugar cane. It's very sweet, I'm telling you. Come, you have some in the village, life in the village. Life in this village, guys, life in this village is so wonderful. And one thing that I've come to understand in this village is that there are no thieves. Everything is so secure. You can imagine I've been leaving my bag on a house which is not even locked. I even sleep in my house, it is not even locked, and you're going to find everything intact. I always find things intact. Now there's only one thing that I'm really disappointed with in this village. It's because of accommodations. If you're not here or if you're not coming here prepared, I'm telling you, you can stress off, you can sleep outside, because here people in this village, what they do is that they only rent houses for people who are going to stay for about 3 days, 4 days, maybe a week. They don't do rentals for people who are about to stay a month, 2 months, 3 months. So this is the most bad part that I've come to learn in this village. And I'm being told to say that if you want that kind of a house, then which means that you need to pay a lot of money, one. Number two, a lot of people that comes here are business people. You know, Nakonde is not far from here, and people from Nakonde comes here to buy granuts, comes here to buy intoyo, comes here to buy cassava, they comes here to buy different kinds of things. And the other people from the Copper Belt, Lusaka, those people who are doing businesses like dry granuts, dry intoyo, dry cassava, they come here. So those people are the people that have made it difficult for people who just want to live in the village, and that is so stressing for me, and it is really stressing me off, because all I want is to have a place where I can accommodate myself and live a life that I want, you know. But all in all, I'm not finding it. This is my 3rd day searching for a house, and I'm being told, you can imagine, I've been going from door to door asking where they are allowing people to do some rentals for a month, door to doors, you can imagine. And the door, like a neighbor for the other person, is maybe 200 meters. You see, here it is not like how we live in the Copper Belt province, in town centers. No, here houses are from different sides. So you see, these are the kind of things that I'm really struggling to cope with, you know. So when you go to this house, you're going to find the dogs. they bark you, and then at the end of the day, you're going to find that they're going to tell you to say, no, we don't have. How many days are you staying here? If you say I'm staying here for 1 month, 2 months, they are saying, no, we only want people, we only need people, those who are going to stay here for about 3 days, 4 days, 5 days. You see all these things, you see. So this is the kind of situation where I am right now. But I keep the hope alive, I keep the faith alive, and I keep trusting God to say everything is going to happen. Because if I don't trust, then which means that nothing will happen. And I will keep on searching, keep on asking. And you know, you are acting as if you know everyone in this village. like you know them. You try to communicate like the way I do communicate with my people in my community in my city. But here you communicate with people like in a different way. And this has made me to learn communication skills, communication skills, like trying to learn life and try to communicate with people in this village. So this is it, guys. When you look at this area, this is this market. Now can you imagine this being the market? This is the junction, this is the station, this is a market, and there are only two grocery shops, and these two grocery shops, you're not going to find a lot of things in these grocery shops. You're going to find just little things. And the other thing that you're going to find in these shops is beer, traditional beer. Here in Zambia we call it kachasu, that being brewed traditionally. So these are the things that I'm really facing, and I'm just within at this market, this market. This is where I am, and I'm trying, by all means, trying to fight, guys. Just pray for me that everything goes well. But I've been trying to communicate with some other people from somewhere, not from this village, from other village. So I've been told tomorrow I should go and check them out to see what they have for me. So if they're having something good, then which means I need to change. I need to go somewhere. Yeah. Kufika kumpika? That gold mining.
Ukuri ama mine ayenyu naye afura ama mine kuri no yakufika mumpika muna mwini ono mwana mbo kwati muri yako dai salamu kwa denja yu ndimo bata kuma munse mupya oli pore ripira ngani denja yu ni 600 6